The Samsung Galaxy A36, expected to launch in early 2025, is poised to be a notable addition to Samsung's mid-range lineup. The device is rumored to feature a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Under the hood, the Galaxy A36 is anticipated to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, ensuring efficient performance for daily tasks and multitasking. The camera setup is expected to include a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens, providing versatility for various photography needs. For selfies, a 12MP front-facing camera is anticipated, potentially offering improved image quality over its predecessor. The device is likely to house a 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging support, ensuring prolonged usage with minimal downtime. Additionally, the Galaxy A36 is expected to launch with Android 15, providing users with the latest features and security updates. These specifications suggest that the Galaxy A36 will offer a balanced combination of performance, camera capabilities, and battery life, making it a compelling choice in the mid-range smartphone market.